In this section, we're going to look at the importance of a good video thumbnail. Now, when you upload a video to something like YouTube, you can just simply upload the video, and in most cases you can also upload what's called a thumbnail, which is basically a custom designed picture or thumbnail that people will see when they see a preview of the video. Now, you should take the time to create one of these. Generally, if you're using YouTube, the thumbnail would be sort of the standard high-res, 1080 type resolution. To some extent, you can use this for branding. So if you have a thumbnail that kind of looks consistent across all your different videos, maybe a color or an image or something like that. Apparently, psychologists reckon that if you have an image like in this example here, your brain is kind of hardwired to look for faces. So if you put a face looking out from your image and you go to YouTube and you're doing a search in YouTube, there's a whole bunch of thumbnails displayed, apparently your brain will sort of home in on any that have faces looking out at you. So in this example, apparently, that's one of the reasons I get a lot of hits, is because people like the thumbnail. If we look at that example from the last chapter, you can see there's 3 video thumbnails displayed. This one, maybe the video is great, I don't know, I haven't watched it, but the thumbnail's not too interesting. Whereas this one here, it's redesigned to be kind of interesting. It's got some color in it and it tells you exactly what it's about. In this case, WordPress 5.0 Gutenberg preview demo. This one here is using a web design type logo, and again, it's just designed to kind of catch the eye. In the same way, of course, when you embed a video in your website, it can use that thumbnail to have a more interesting embedded image. So, here, if I scroll up and down, that is the thumbnail for this particular video. So this is as embedded on my website. If I click on this, then it will run the video. Incidentally, something I've just noticed on this, I made the mistake of putting 2017 edition. That's one of the things you shouldn't really do, because if you do, that instantly dates it when it becomes 2018, and it is actually now late 2018 when I'm recording this. So that's kind of breaking one of my own rules, in fact, which is if you're going to create a thumbnail, try and make it so it doesn't date. So obviously I forgot what I was doing in this case. It might have been late, I don't know. But again, try and get everything perfect. If you're going to create a thumbnail ideally that doesn't age. Don't put a date in it. So just a little extra tip there.